Good morning, Compass families, scholars, and learning coaches. Melissa here, your middle school coordinator, along with my sidekick, Ziggy again, with this week's Monday morning message. Semester 1 ends this Wednesday, January 31st, just 3 days away. Ziggy's getting so excited, I know. You will have until 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday night to submit all of your work for your semester 1 courses. Don't forget that you can retake checkpoints up to 3 times, and you can also ask your teachers for additional attempts on larger assignments like projects and exams to raise your grade as much as possible. You can do this. Your teachers are here to support you and push you to do your best. So good luck. Ziggy is rooting for you. She's cheering you on. And I'll see you in semester 2. Bye-bye.